Our world has already been polluted, and detrimental consequences are starting to get noticed. Global temperatures have increased by 1.8 degrees Celsius in 2015, which was the largest rise since 1925. 1.2 million deaths per year are caused by air pollution. Only 2.5% of the total amount of water on Earth is fresh and drinkable, and 20% of people cannot access electricity. SAVE is a project that aims to protect the environment by conserving natural resources and reducing the amount of waste produced by footwear factories. It is sponsored by KfW DEG Bank and Puma and deployed by Assist.
SAVE is one hotspot on the list of successful cooperations between private companies like Puma and DEG. By joining forces, public institutions and private companies can benefit from each other's competences and raise synergies. And SAVE is an excellent example for that and the reason why we have partnered with Puma to implement this project.
While doing the compliance visits, we realized that many of our suppliers actually have untapped potential in terms of resource efficiency. That means they could use energy and water more efficiently, or they could reduce the amount of waste created. The SAVE project will run in our core suppliers in Asia, in China, Cambodia, Vietnam and Indonesia, and we will have experts going to our supplier factories and helping them to increase their resource efficiency.
The project has been researched and developed for use in 35 Puma factories in 4 countries: Bangladesh, Cambodia, Indonesia, and China. The project's purpose is focused on reducing resource consumption in 3 areas. For water saving, we have been successfully implementing options such as rainwater harvesting for water collection, landscaping, and other uses. Water metering to measure and monitor its usage in order to detect leakage. Wastewater treatment systems and recycling wastewater. And after 3 years of implementation, the project has achieved significant savings across different divisions for Puma. For energy saving, we have many clearly defined options that are now in use. Installing solar power to use as renewable energy. Upgrading to LED lamps in all office areas and also production areas. Maximizing the use of natural light by installing transparent roofs in warehouses and production areas. Using evaporative cooling systems with recycled water. Upgrading sewing machines from older conventional machines. Upgrading older machines to newer ones. Thermal detection and insulation. After 3 years, the figures on the chart show significant achievements in energy savings. For waste mitigation, we have implemented the following. Waste segregation and sale to third parties for recycling and reusing. Environmental awareness training for employees to collect and segregate waste effectively. Recycling waste by using cardboard for waste collection. Minimizing waste in production lines by applying just-in-time manufacturing. The following chart shows significant progress has been made in waste reduction.
This project we started to devise the concept idea in around 2012, and I think we have implemented this project since 2013, and it's a 3-year project, so we would close it out in 2015. But I hope that we could really sustain this project we could implement to more number of factories and if possible even replicate to other industrial sectors.
對我嚟講 ，SAFE 應該係一個可持續發展項目，但係可持續發展項目咧，必須要係一個經濟上可以持續發展嘅項目。意思即係我哋可以利用慳翻嚟嘅錢，再重新投資落去我哋嘅不同嘅項目，以達到一定嘅回饋喺個成本上。咁喺呢一部分咧，咁我哋當時其實喺 SAFE 俾我開頭嘅印象先，我哋係比較唔太清晰嘅。咁但係應該係Puma俾嗰陣時唔太清晰，但係當我哋收到個所有資嘅時候，我發覺呢樣嘢其實對我哋公司係可以幫助好大嘅。咁我哋喺唔同方面嘅投資啦，咁我哋都發現到，雖然有啲投資項目都好大，我哋所呢3年嚟，我諗總投資金額大概會有200萬左右人民幣。
SAFE 这个项目对我们其实在几方面都有很大的帮助哈。首先就是降低能耗比如说我们车间里面一些电车，还有宿舍里面热水煲，还有厨房的炉子现在都更换了电能的一些设备这样就大大减低我们的能耗。那么同时呢，也是可以就是减低碳排放量。
Perspective, companies are trying to maximize profit and reduce operating costs as much as possible. Projects like SAVE contribute directly to the bottom line by encouraging factories to decrease their energy consumption, water use, and minimize waste generation rate. The SAVE project in particular helped reduce energy consumption at Beautiful Springs. Now, Beautiful Springs is a new factory which was designed to incorporate several energy efficient features such as the use of solar panels to provide natural daylight, a design which encourages natural ventilation to reduce the amount of artificial or mechanical ventilation required.
How we feel that SAFE have actually helped us in implementing resource efficiency and a cleaner production is by carefully conducting assessment in our factory as to which part needs more efficient resources. However, they have also helped us and teach us with tips and ideas on how we can sell some unused materials in order to save and gain profit.
And I would like to thank our friends at DEG, Assist, H&M and all the participating vendors for all their help, and a special thanks to the Puma sustainability team for making this project such a great success.